I'm here with Tim, Faven Lighting, MJBiz. Tell us about your product.
So we are an under-canopy company solely, right? We focus on this. This is where my expertise lays. So we figured, we're going to stick to our lane and do it the best, better than anybody. So under-canopy lighting is exactly how it sounds. We are underneath the plant, really kind of changing how people view lighting the plant in its entirety. Instead of just blasting, ton of light from the top, we're really holistically lighting and uniformly lighting the plant from top to bottom.
Perfect.
Spectrum control, very, very hot topic. What I like about this is it's not your standard spectrum control. It is a balance of red and white, which is a very safe place for growers to be. So it's a very safe place. So you can control the balance of red and white from 40% red to 90% red, and really manipulate how you want your plants and your final product to look. If you're doing fresh frozen, you're probably going to keep more white light towards the end because you're really producing more cannabinoids, more THC, more terps. Well, that's your goal, right? As running for rosin. Now, if you're looking for finished flower and you need it to be purple, you need it to be dark, you need it to be uniform, top to bottom, you're going to finish with a dark red, right? A deeper red. And so that's really what this solves, is that you can have these in a room and you can have a bench of fresh frozen. You can have a bench of that's going to finished flower. You can have a bench of mixed. Doesn't really matter. But we've got the product now that allows you to achieve all your goals within the same room, build your menu to be able to sell through your products in a timely manner. So and that's very standard. That'll be coming out Q2 2025.
Super exciting.
And we're very excited about it.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks, Tim. I appreciate it.